Ally Bank, a company that Warren Buffett owns, had remarkable earnings. Their stock rallied over 20%. We found this stock hidden in Warren's Berkshire Hathaway portfolio when looking for his highest yielding dividend stocks. Not only has this stock's dividend increased since 2016, but since we mentioned it in our list on December 30th last year, it has gone up over 30%. For a full list of his stocks with the highest dividend yield, be sure to check the comments and subscribe for more. And did you know